Okay, so we have a piece of code here which doesn't work properly. We run it. It's going to take a moment to start, but when we run it, it's going to ask for a name, age, and height, and then it's going to do a little bit of maths, and it's going to return the wrong answer, and hopefully that'll be obvious. So my name is Mr. Walker. My age, rather embarrassingly, is 32. And my height is 193 centimeters, give or take, but I want it to be a decimal number to make this interesting, so I'm going to say 193.7, right? So 32 plus 193 is not 32,193.7. Okay, so some of you might have noticed that it hasn't done any maths. It's just taken those two numbers and pushed them together. So there's the 32, and there is the 193.7. We wanted to add those two rather than just smushing them together. And the reason this has happened is because we have not typecast or cast the correct data types here. We've just run the program. Now, the little foible of Python is that if you don't tell it otherwise, when you get input, it just assumes it's a string. Okay, so a string is letters essentially, and we want these to be numbers. So here, where we say age equals input, we're going to say int for integer, and we're going to open a set of brackets, and we're going to close a second set of brackets at the end. And then here for height, we're going to say float, because we want it to be a decimal number. That's not essential, by the way. You could say it's an integer, but to keep things interesting, we want it to be a float, bracket, and then we close the second bracket at the end. My rule of thumb here is that if you open a bracket, you must close a bracket. So we've opened two brackets now, so we've got to close two at the end of each of those lines. Now, if I run the program again, be quicker this time, say Mr. Walker, and it asks me my age and my height, 193.7. And it's going to say, hi, Mr. Walker, your height plus your age is 225.7. Now, your maths is probably better than mine, but that looks like a much more reasonable number. I hope that's helped. I hope it makes it clear how to typecast integers and float numbers or decimal numbers. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.